Okay, so welcome all of you on this wonderful session which we are having for low gate or no gate students. So I will try to speak both in Hindi as well as English and try to provide you the very valuable points. I am sure this session is going to be quite useful. So before I start this session, let me tell you what is there in this session for you. I'm going to tell you that GATE score is not very important if you want to get admission in top institutes. That is number one. Having said that, if you do not have GATE score or if you have low GATE score, then you need to put extra effort in, let us say, clearing some exams, written exams, or maybe you have to clear the interviews, and maybe you have to spend some more money in the fees. So if you people are ready to put effort for next couple of months, let us say next uh, 3 4 months, if you are ready to put effort, if you are ready to prepare, and if you are ready to come out of the mental block of spending money which you are not to spend from parents pocket, then you will get as good career as the students with high GATE score are getting. Let me tell you, the moment GATE exam is over, maximum students think that their 90% work is over. We have written the GATE exam, we have got a score. Now that work is over. The main thing is to convert this score into some kind of selection. And for that, you need to apply. You need to apply in proper places. When you get call, you need to go there for interview. You need to clear interview, and you have to choose the best thing for you. First, you need to get some option on your table. Once you get some option on your table, after that, you are to choose the best option for you. So those of you who do not have GATE score, I'm talking to many of you nowadays. I found many of you are demoralized. You are not motivated. You think that something wrong has happened with you. You know, GATE is only one exam. There are so many such exams. Even to get admission into IIT, NIT, IIIT, IISc, and other top institutes in our country, to get admission into that, there are so many ways. And YourPedia is telling you all the ways. I remember 2017-18, first time we talked about low GATE score. Nobody used to say, think about low GATE. And today I am publishing video every day where low GATE score students are into IIT. Not only in IIT, they are getting very good jobs. 2 3 years back, we started talking about no GATE score. Low GATE is over now. Low GATE is old fashioned now. It is no GATE now. No GATE means even if you do not have GATE, that is not a dead end for you. Change the strategy, write other exam, and get into the same place where people with high GATE score will enter. Like if you want to get into public sector, GATE is only one criteria. If you don't write GATE, even then you can be in public sector. Public sectors are conducting their own exams. HPCL, HAL, BDL, Airport Authority of India, so many exams. Similar to that, even if you do not have GATE score, you can get into the same good master's courses in which student with high GATE score will enter. All you need to do is, and that is my request to all of you, keep preparing for next couple of months, next 3 to 4 months. Lot of options will come. Yesterday, in fact, today we have uploaded one option of IIT Gandhinagar. Without GATE, PhD 31,000. With GATE, PhD 41,000. Without GATE, scholarship 6,000. With GATE, scholarship 15,000. And then you will say, but that is sir for IIT, NIT. But then they have written some other selected institutes. Does anybody know what are the selected institutes? And that is, there is a catch. Students do not apply. Students think that I may not get selected, I may not get call, and those who think they will get call, they will actually get the call. So the crux of this entire introduction is, without gate, with low gate, you have multiple options you can apply in many places. That is what I'm going to discuss with you today. So bear with me, and I'm going to discuss everything. So carefully listen to this entire thing, what I'm going to talk to you now. First of all, I am personally against dropping. You should not drop years after years. The reason that now you can write gate in third year is that you will get two chance before you graduate, third year and final year. Why do you want to drop? Because if you drop, that will be a gap in your career. Later on, when you sit for placements and all, no doubt you may get placements, but yes, gap is a gap, and throughout the life it may affect you. Why? Because even later after PhD, you want to become faculty, or you want to go for postdoctorate fellowship, wherever you face your interview, in the CV that remains a gap. So drop after a lot of thinking. Do not think of dropping as of now. And second reason is, drop normally does not help. I have seen that. To some students it works, but to some maximum students it does not work, because score does not improve. Number 3, whatever you can get at gate score 600, you can get that gate score 500 also. So increasing score of 200 or 100 actually does not help. So think of drop at the last. At the last, when you have explored all the options. February or March is not the month to think of drop. In the month of Feb or in the month of March, you should not think of dropping. Let me repeat. February is going on. You have not even got your gate score. This is not the time to drop. This is not the time to think of dropping. Please don't do that. Dropping is a very, critical decision. It should be taken cautiously, because it is a matter of one full year where you are only studying, and as per employer doing nothing. Employer will say you have done nothing. You cannot say I was preparing. For him it is useless. You have not increased your skill. You have not enhanced your skill. That is the meaning of it. Now, you know if you are in position, if you are having the potential to get a job of 15 lakh per annum, let us say you have potential to earn 15 lakh per month, which normal graduate has the potential to earn in non-core sector companies. If you drop 3 years, tell me how much money did you waste? Not 45 lakh, it is far more than 60 lakh, because every year your salary is increasing. So dropping for 2 to 3 years means wastage of 30-40 lakh rupees of money, because you are capable to earn that. Don't do that. Think from that perspective. Now let me tell you certain things. If you do not have gate score, you did not qualify gate, or if you have very low gate score, just passed, you can get into IISc, IIT, NIT, IIIT, BIT, VIT. And when I'm saying this, YourPedia has done extensive analysis into this. This year I have interacted with 1,000 plus students sitting in all these institutes. Every day I'm interacting with the students, and this entire information which I'm giving you, that information has come to me through those students. Now let me take you forward. What should be the strategy? The normal students say, sir, what should be the strategy if we do not have gate, or if we have very low gate? First thing is, take a break of 2-3 days, watch movies, enjoy, and come out of depression. You need not to think negative. Having no gate score, you have lost nothing. Understand that. And I'm not telling this only to motivate you. I'm telling this on the basis of experience. Because at the end of the day, we are not into this race for getting gate score. We want career. We want a good job. Good job and career, you will get it even if you do not have gate score. Understand that way. Because there are so many institutes. Otherwise, why IIT Gandhinagar will say without gate also you come? Why IIT Gandhinagar will say that? Why IIT Hyderabad will say without gate also you appear? Because these IITs know, because directors know that gate is only 3 hours activity. That day may not be your day. Your preparation was very good. You could not do anything on that day. Maybe you could not score good. Does not mean you do not have capability. I strongly believe that a student who has scored very high in gate and a student who do not score high in GATE may have same level, but that day may not be his day because it's a competitive exam. So IITs are giving fair chance to all the students who do not have GATE score, who have low GATE score. And believe me, I have personally talked to many of such, head of the management institutes whom I have put this particular point. And IIT, this team YourPedia went to IIT Gandhinagar also. We discussed this thing there, and IIT Gandhinagar promotes this thing to a great level. They say that without GATE also you can come, and almost all IITs are now following this trend. And this year you will see more IITs will join this particular thing. More IITs are going to come, which are going to allow students without GATE also to apply. That is also going to happen this year. Now, what strategy you should do is, first, no frustration. Number two, you need to keep preparing for exams. If you do not have GATE, or if you have very low GATE score, if you get call from IIT, IIT is going to conduct test for you. They are not going to give admission to a student who is not having level. Why IIT is allowing low GATE or no GATE score student? Is IIT compromising with the quality? Answer is no. Why IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur, and so many others are permitting student without GATE? Are they compromising with the quality? The GATE exam is conducted by IITs only. So why they are not respecting IIT? Why they are calling students without IIT? They are not compromising with quality. They will not take you if you do not qualify their written exam. They will conduct another written exam. But think of a student whose level is good. Your level is good. You could not do anything on that day. Now I ask you that you come, I will give you 10 papers. I will conduct 10 papers for you, 10 days. You prove in any one of them, and I give you the admission. Can't you do that? If your level is good, you appear in one paper, did not work, appeared in second paper, did not work. But if your level is good, your preparation level is good, in some IIT, in some paper, you will do good, right or not? So that is what is the catch. IITs will call you, conduct a written exam for you, and if your preparation is good, you will get admission. You will be having written exam in IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur, Triple IIT Bangalore, Triple IIT Bombay, Triple IIT Hyderabad, and so many other institutes. If your level is good, you will clear it, and there will not be any compromise with the quality. So, sir, I could not qualify GATE because that day was not my day. So, okay, I give you more days. I give you more chance. You write the exam and qualify it. So that means you need to keep preparing for the exam. Please do not get demoralized. Please do not deviate yourself. Please keep yourself focused for next 2-3 months, and you will get multiple options in your basket. Next 2-3 months, keep focused. Number two, you need to keep preparing for interview. Many students think that written exam and interview is the same thing. It is actually not the same thing. Whatever you study for written and whatever approach is required for interview is entirely different. YourPedia has done marvelous work in uploading all sort of interviews. We are uploading these videos for the last many years now. You go to the website of YourPedia, YouTube channel of YourPedia, other channel, GDGT, you will find interviews for IIScs, IITs. Students have shared their experience. Listen to that. Listen to the experience of students. Suppose you get interview call from IIT Hyderabad. Listen to what interview question were asked and prepare on that lines. When should I start preparing that way? You should start preparing that now. Now you have time. You have written exam is over. Now you can start preparing on that line. So that is the second thing where you have to prepare. So even if you get a call from IIT, exam and interview you have to do. Calls you will get it. These things you have to do. If you do not do this, IIT Hyderabad is not going to give you admission. IIT Jodhpur is not going to give you admission. IIT Gandhinagar is not going to give you admission. Sir, written exam and interview are there for only those students who have no GATE score, only for MSc, PhD or MTech also. They are for MTech also. Therefore, even those students who have GATE. So you cannot avoid these things. They are going to be there. So keep preparing. Keep applying. Now, this is the most important thing. If you will not apply, you will never get a call, right? So you need to apply more. What happens is students get so demoralized that they stop applying. They don't apply. Because with whomsoever you will discuss, they will say, nay, if you have low GATE score, you will not get call. You ask anybody, they will say, no, you will not get a call. And why we are publishing the videos of the students, and this time you can talk to those students. Whatever videos I'm publishing on YouTube, I have requested all of them to interact with you if basically you want to interact with them. So you can interact with them, you can talk to them that how could you get admission without gate, how could you get admission at low gate. So you need to apply. Application is very important, you need to apply. If you keep on applying, you get more options. So roughly how many applications you have to put if you really want to open good option for you? In my opinion, 20 to 30 applications you have to give. 20 to 30. Sir, without gate or low gate, how many institutes are permitting me? More than 15, more than 1.5. I'll show you. More than 1.5. So if more than 1.5 are allowing you, and in one institute there are 3 to 4 departments, you understand there will be 50, more than 50 departments in which you can apply. But every department costs something. Overall, you need to spend some 5 to 10,000 rupees in applications. You need to do that. So if you apply in 25 places, maybe you will get call from 10 places. Maybe you go for interviews and all, and you convert one or two or two, 3 places. That is how the ratio goes. So if you apply only 3 places, you will not get. Probability theory it says you will not get opportunity. So you need to apply more. So that is the third thing. Keep preparing. No demoralization. Be positive. Assume you need to convince yourself that you will get it, and then you will start applying. India and abroad. Yes. You know, the kind of money which you spend in IIT Hyderabad and all, there are so many opportunities in other countries also. You know that with the GATE score, you can apply abroad, and that very low GATE score is required. There are so many universities abroad also. If GATE is not there, today I was interacting with one student who could not clear GATE, electrical engineering, and he got admission in 2 top universities of the world. That is within MS. So if you are not getting masters in India, you go abroad. What is the trouble? Majority of IIT graduates after doing BTech in India, they go for MS abroad. You can do also that. But you will say, sir, a lot of money is spent. I'm saying you that money bank will spend. So that option is also there with you going abroad. Yes, high fees is not issue if you get placement. That is something which you need to put in your mind now. See, if you want to get quality education, fees has to be there. You need to understand that. If you get admission in IIMS for MBA, let us say, you know, fees is 25 lakh rupees plus, and that you need to spend. But you get that fees from the bank, you know, you get from the bank, get very good job and return it. What is the trouble? So if you can think of getting admission in IIMS because you are getting very good jobs, then what is the trouble in paying fees to those institutes which are giving you very good jobs? Now, if I tell you IIT Hyderabad, let us say VLSI, the minimum package this year is 25 lakhs. Suppose now IIT Hyderabad is telling you, give me 12 lakh rupees for 2 years, and I give you package of 25 lakh. Then what is the trouble in paying fees? Your father, your parents are not going to pay this. This bank is going to pay. The moment you show IIT Hyderabad selection letter to bank will release money for you. Similarly for NITI, similarly for IIT, similarly for top other institutes like Birla Institutes and all. So if you get selection from these tier 1 colleges, then you will get the some kind of assistance from the bank. Bank is going to give you money. That won't be a trouble for you. So what is the issue if you can spend that? So this is the strategy. Keep preparing for interview. You need to apply, and you need to apply India and abroad. You need to be clear for that. Our ultimate purpose is to get a good job and a good career. We should be sure that our placement is good. And I tell you, I'm going to upload 100 plus videos where I'm going to ask student what is the placement in your department, and they're going to say 100% placement, average package more than 20. At least apply in those departments. If some student is saying, and you can interact with those students, so I'm giving you full data and information, and this is an intensive study done by YourPedia, then only we are advising you to do that. So this is how it is going to be. Now, can I get the same IIT placement as in the IITs if I'm sitting with the students with GATE score? I told you that in IIT Hyderabad, there are many departments where self-sponsored students are there, and GATE score students are also there. So there are in the class students with, let us say, approximately 800 GATE score and no GATE score. There is a class in which there is a student sitting with 800 GATE score and self-sponsored, no GATE score. So are they going to get same kind of placement, or placement company is going to differentiate that you are without GATE or you are with GATE? Placement company does not know who is with GATE, who is not with GATE. Placement companies do not know that. They are only going to ask you about the skill set you have acquired. So sir, if I go to IIT, if I got admission in IIT, you will not get admission if you are not capable. Believe me that. Written exam and interview will be there. So you need to prepare for that. But that written exam and interview will be quite easy for you to crack, because students do not do that. Many students do not even believe they will get admission, so they do not prepare and they go without preparation, and hence, competition is quite less. The competition at the second stage is quite less compared to GATE exam. So next level you can easily crack if you prepare. So unless until you acquire the skills, you are not going to get job. But if you acquire the skills, and when you have self-sponsored stuff, then you will put more effort, and you immediately you try to acquire the skills. And agar skills acha hai, so then certainly you will get the placements. That won't be trouble for you. Good CGPA is one of the very important point. Unless until you have got good CGPA, you cannot get placed. CGPA is required. You need to have good CGPA to convert that. That is also one of the criteria. So that means I can get into some IIT without GATE also. Only thing is I need to crack their written exam. I will tell you what written exam you have to crack. And I need to clear the interview. And if I do that, sit in the class, and if I get good CGPA, can I get better jobs than the students with very high GATE score sitting with me? Answer is yes, you can do that. That won't be trouble. It can be easily done. How can I get into IITs without GATE? I've answered this question, but let me tell you, you do not have GATE score or very low GATE score. You want to get into VLSI, you want to get into computational data science, you want to get into artificial intelligence, then you need to go for the written exam of that IIT. Are the IITs conducting written exams separately? Yes. How many? As of now, 3-4 I'm going to discuss with you, but this year it looks like more are going to join. This year, more IITs are going to join for particular departments. Every IIT has a particular department. I give you example. IIT Madras, Department of Management, DOMS. You do not have MTech, only MS is there. So there is a interview and written exam also. So less GATE score people can also get the opportunity for written exam. So are we going to get such kind of more exams and more department this year? Answer is yes. More job related courses are opening up. I know a couple of more departments which this year are going to come, though they are not declared as of now, but they are going to come. Like data science is one of the departments, like job related departments, mechatronics, robotics, data science, artificial intelligence, these kind of we talk about now smart mobility, those kind of things. So these departments are going to come up now. You will be having written exam, interview will be there, and fees will be higher. Fees will be higher. You need to keep that in mind. But again, you keep in mind that these fees will not be there. Yes, all the civil engineering students can also get into that. I'm going to come for that. So when I'm saying this, these options are available for everyone. So do not think in your mind that this is only, there are so many misconceptions. Only computer science, only electronics people get the placements. Civil engineers do not get, mechanical engineers do not get, or chemical engineers. These all are misconceptions. You get opportunities. I'm telling you that you get opportunities, and I'm going to prove it through the interaction with students sitting in those campuses. So just keep listening to those videos and you will realize it. If this student can get, why can't I get? So that option is there. People are getting that. Drop is not effective. I can prove you that. Drop is effective not even for 5% students. No doubt there are some cases where you are sitting year after year after year after year and you get very good score. And maybe you get PSU. There are examples, no doubt. But the proportion is very less. So maybe it does not work for majority of students. So our ultimate purpose is not to score high in GATE. Our ultimate purpose is to get a good job and good career. That is what my point is. So ultimate purpose is not to score high in GATE. So every year I'm writing GATE so that one day I will get 800 score. That is my aim of my life. Aim of my life cannot be scoring high in GATE. it is to get good job, which otherwise can be obtained without GATE also. Now, gap in career is something which you should avoid. In your CV, gap should not be reflected. 2 years or more gap looks visible. It is visible to to the employer. So whatever company wants to hire you, including PSU, the moment there is a gap in your career, they're going to ask you, and certainly it affects your performance there. It affects the placements also. Yes, it has impact on placement, because when the placement company comes, they get a couple of opportunities. They ask you why this gap was there. वो तुमसे पूछते हैं गैप क्यों था. गैप नहीं होना चाहिए, गैप अच्छा नहीं है, गैप से करियर नहीं मिलता. गैप इज नॉट गुड थिंग. You should not basically create gap in your career without any reason. So there should not be rat race कि उसने ड्रॉप किया मैं भी ड्रॉप करूंगा, वो कोचिंग के लिए जा रहा मैं दोबारा कोचिंग के लिए जाऊंगा. You should not do that. Do not waste your money and your time. Let me request you that. Money is one part, but time is very crucial. I told you your worth is 15 lakh per annum. Assume then 1 year drop, you are losing 15 lakh. That is as simple as that. Why? Because otherwise also you can get the same opportunity. And IIT is asking you, suppose IIT Hyderabad is saying 12 lakh rupees. Spend 12 lakh rupees without GATE and join the course. And let us say you take drop of 1 year. You could have got a job of 20 lakh. Don't you think you have wasted that much of money? You could have got a job of 20 lakh from IIT Hyderabad. Had you joined 1 year before, you would have earned 20 lakh more. 12 lakh उसमें से निकल जाता. So if you think that way, I mean, it is a loss. Gap is a loss, drop is a loss. So long term career में आपको ये affect करता है और ये तुम्हें help नहीं करता, does not help. Drop बहुत help नहीं करता. And drop का decision should not be taken in Feb or March. Even if it is to be taken, the moment you have exhausted, thoroughly you have done all the things, you have applied, you have seen everything, you have gone for interview, उसके बाद भी अगर ये work नहीं किया, it did not work even after that, then you take decision of drop maybe in July and keep preparing that time. Because first assumption is you will keep on preparing, क्योंकि आगे टेस्ट होगा, तुम्हारा रिटन एग्जाम होगा, तैयारी तो तुम्हें करते रहना पड़ेगा. This you are to prepare. The moment you are preparing for written exam, preparation तुम्हारा चल रहा है, तो अभी क्यों ड्रॉप करने की सोचना है? Why not to explore the options? I'm simply saying explore the options. No GATE, low GATE, which IIT? I think this is the most important thing for you. Which IIT consider no GATE or low GATE candidates? Let me name. IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur, self-sponsored. IIT Hyderabad 2 years, 12 lakh per annum. 12 lakh per annum. I have already published one video where student is saying you get 20 lakh per annum plus package from that particular department. So all self-sponsored seats, all self-sponsored programs of IIT Hyderabad will offer you very good salary. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, it cannot work. Self-sponsored IIT Jodhpur, 4 lakh per annum is the fees for 2 years. Hostel is free. So, sir, why Jodhpur is keeping less and it is keeping high? Maybe IIT Hyderabad return on investment may be better. They are providing you this. Maybe this provides you this. I have already published IIT Jodhpur video also. So, sir, why you are saying this? Are you sure about this? Listen to the students, jiska video I have already published. And I'm going to publish many more. IIT Hyderabad also. Sir, is it easier to get into this? No, it is not easier. Seats are limited. You need to prepare. You need to prepare for interview also. There's a written exam also. If I'm not wrong, that is called PGEE or something. So there's a written exam also, and the interview is also there. It is not easy, but yes, it is a very good way to enter. IIT Kharagpur. I don't think there's an MS in IIT Kharagpur, but there's an indirect way to enter into MS of IIT Kharagpur. And MS placement are better than MTech. Entire world will tell you MTech is better than MS. I'm telling you MS is better than MTech. And not only I'm telling you, the student who are doing MS and MTech, they will also tell you this. So me, the student of MTech MS of these institutes, will tell you MS is better than MTech if you want to learn more and get more jobs. Because the LPA, the job salary in IIT, is proportional to your skill, proportional to your learning. Just ask 2 questions from anyone. and answer will be clear. MTech is better or MS is better. Question number 1. The jobs in IIT is proportional to what? Answer is learning and skill development. Done. Where do you get more opportunity to enhance your skill and learning? MS. Put these two things together. You are engineers, you are technocrats. Answer will come. IIT Kharagpur does not take for MS directly. They take it what you call as through JRF and SRF. So what is the way to enter into JRF, SRF? GATE is not required. IIT Madras. There's something which is called TAP. Through TAP you enter into that. Again, GATE is not required. So there is a way to enter into that. There are projects funded by professors. You can enter into that. IISc, there is a technical assistance option I have already uploaded. There's a written exam for TA, technical assistantship. We have already uploaded one video. Why don't you go for that exam? Why don't you write that exam? Sir, we never thought about that exam. Why? No reason. GATE you have written. Why? Because it is much advertised exam. So many people provide coaching for GATE. So you took the coaching and you wrote the exam. This TA is similar to GATE. You are not writing this exam. Why? The moment you do TA in IISc, the options open for you for masters in IISc Bangalore also. The similar to IIT Kharagpur. What is the trouble in that? Sir, more IITs are also coming. Yes, to my knowledge, more is the list. But one IIT is IIT Gandhinagar. IIT Gandhinagar has also advertised yesterday. IIT Gandhinagar will come twice. Right now also, and after some time again it will come. IIT गांधीनगर ने गेट और नॉन गेट दोनों के लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट निकाला. गेट एंड नॉट गेट फॉर बोथ. IIT गांधीनगर is coming for both. This option is early admission, right? For IIT, for NIT, and for some selected institutes. Does anybody know what are selected institutes? So why you are assuming your institute is not a selected institute? Any reason for that? If they've given the list, it's okay, I accept. But if list is not there, why are you assuming it is only government institute? Only government institutes are not good institutes. There are private sector institutes also, good private institutes also. And if IIT Gandhinagar is getting good candidate, you know why they have not given the list of the selected institutes? Maybe because they wanted to keep it open. Why? Because maybe they wanted good students to come. Good student can be in any college, not only in IIT and NIT. You could not get opportunity to be in IIT, NIT. You can be in some college and you are doing marvelous work. You can get into that. So do not presume anything when you apply. Because moment you apply, the more you apply, you get opportunities. And you know, those who apply, they get the chance. I give you a small example here. You know, last year, IOCL advertised. IOCL came, PSU came. Students did not apply, thinking that they may not get a call. And you know, there was a call up to 1500 All India rank in the GATE. Student with 1500 GATE rank also got the call. Why? Because nobody applied. Students in 600, 700, 800 All India rank thought that they will not get a call and they did not apply. So you need to believe you will get a call. Do not presume. Even if you want to presume something, please start seeing it as half full. This glass is half full. Start assuming that. Selected institute, my institute cannot be selected institute. Start assuming my institute can be selected institute. This is the thumb rule. So if you want to convert your no GATE into selection, start thinking positive. Entire world will tell you negative. Entire world is feeding you negativity. Wrong is happening here, wrong is happening there, negative is happening here. You cannot do anything, you cannot get anything. Everybody will tell you. Start assuming you will get everything. Start assuming you are capable. Start putting effort. And when you apply with positivity that you will get call. If you do with that, certainly you will get call. Certainly you will convert. Certainly you will get, you know, what you want. This is how it has to be. So whatever you are to assume, first give chance to positivity. पॉजिटिव होके एज्यूम करो एंड चीजें मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देंगी. मे बी आपका इंस्टीट्यूट इज अ सिलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट. Nobody knows what is a selected institute. I'm telling you, the moment applications will come on the table of professor, He will see, okay, let's give chance to this fellow also. His college is not good, but let's give chance to him because other things are good. So nobody knows whether you get call or not. If you get a call without gate, maybe if you are not from very good college, and if you get selected, think of how good it will be for you. Which triple IITs are taking without gate? There are two top triple IITs in India, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Then comes Delhi and Allahabad. Allahabad is coming through CCMT. These two have their own admission process also. They conduct their own exam. Triple IIT Hyderabad, Triple IIT Bangalore conduct their own exam. This is something which is, very good opportunity for those students from computers, electronics, electrical, mechanical, looking for mechatronics, and very good opportunity. Triple IIT Hyderabad, Triple IIT Bangalore. Very good package, very good salary. Am I going to show you students interaction for this? Yes. I'm going to show you the interaction of student of each and every institute this year. Starting from Shibpur in Bengal, Jadavpur University in Bengal, to Thapar University in Punjab, to PSG in Coimbatore. I'm going to show you and tell you students are getting opportunities. You need to know that. And once you know that, start applying. This is what you have to do it. What are the other institutes without gate? Without gate, which other institutes are going to take? BITS Pilani, BITS Hyderabad, BITS Goa. Sir, Pilani is better than Hyderabad, Goa. That is the assumption, and students sometimes do not apply. The same companies are going to Pilani, Hyderabad, Goa. Same companies. No doubt Pilani is an old campus. Do you know one thing? When you get MTech degree, master's degree, on the degree only BITS Pilani is written. BITS Hyderabad and Goa is not written. That is what one student told me. Even if you graduate from Goa or Hyderabad campus, your degree will be from BITS Pilani only. Why it is done? Same companies are visiting all campus, and if you are capable, if your skill is good, you are going to get the same salary package. So suppose your HD, there's a written exam, separate written exam of BITS, HD exam. If your HD score is not that much, maybe you got Goa or Hyderabad, not Pilani, you are still going to get the same placement if you learn nicely in this program. So all you have to do is you need to prepare good when you join this course. If you enhance your skill in that course, you are going to get the same good opportunities there. Vellore Institute of Technology, yes. VIT also. So which department should I apply, sir, where placements are good? This year, YourPedia has done extensive survey of placements. Whom did we ask? Placement officer? No. Institutes? No. Students? Yes. We ask the students because we are in contact with students, because they know the more, because they are the real recipients or the customer, for these kind of services. So we asked the students, we told them what is the placement going on, and they told us in detail about the placements. So you should join those places, those institutes, those courses where placement is very good, and it is going to be very good. Yes. So very good placements are there in all the campuses. Manipal, Karnataka campus. Manipal. Wonderful courses. And again, I'm telling you, you should be very sure this is the course and this is the department in which I'm going to join it. You need to talk to maybe the students in this. They will tell you, without GATE I joined, I got this package, and you can also get the same thing. That is how you have to do it. So yes, there are these campuses, there are these institutes. Are NITs also taking without GATE? There are southern NITs. Self-sponsored programs are there in the southern top NITs. The top 5 NITs are Trichy, Surathkal, Warangal, Calicut, and Rourkela. So these are, if we can put things, I mean, Surathkal, Warangal, almost same level. So these are top institutes, NITs. coming out with wonderful courses, computational data science and kind of things. There are written exam, separate written exam. You can go in that exam, and if you score good, you will get a call from there. So without GATE, can I get into that? Yes. Self-sponsored categories they are coming out with. They are there, and they are coming out with more and more self-sponsored categories this year. So NITs are also in our list. Will more IIT, triple IIT, NIT will join this year? Answer is yes. This year we have seen, sharp rise in campus placements this year. Placements, if you see, and this year 2020, 2021, same time. Within 1 year, there's a sharp rise in placements. Companies are maybe post-COVID economic growth. So there is a revenge placement going on. And to meet these requirements, some institutes have increased the number of seats. They are increasing the number of seats. And maybe you will get opportunity in self-sponsored, more number of seats will be advertised, and you get opportunities in that. So some IITs are increasing the seats, NITs are increasing, triple IITs are increasing, and you will get more chance into that. And as I told you, because self-sponsored category of IIT Hyderabad and IIT Jodhpur is doing good, so more IITs, new IITs will also join the same kind of thing. And I've heard of some of the courses which are basically doing some courses which are job related courses, जिनसे जॉब बहुत अच्छा लगता है, उन कोर्सेज में और लोग उन कोर्सेज को और IITs ओपन कर रही हैं. More such courses are coming. So more courses will be coming this year. So what to be done? Before I start taking your queries, I think only 2 more slides. So what is to be done? Don't be demoralized, don't be panicky, don't be disheartened, don't be sad, don't be negative. Be hopeful, you will get the things, and that is not irrational hope. That is, I'm telling you logically, I'm giving you examples, I'm giving you example of the students that you can do it. See, if you think you can, or if you think you cannot, both ways you are going to be correct later on. If you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, believe me, you cannot. So you need to think you can. You need to think that you will get it. And I'm giving you examples, so this should not be there. Negativity should not be there. Pessimism should not be there. You need to believe I can do it. You need to have energy for that. Second, this you should not think. This is a dangerous thing. This should not be thought as of now. Unless until you have strong reason, do not think of this. This is a big wastage of national resource, which you are. Students are, you people have capability to earn good. So 1 year of drop, lot of loss. And not only your loss of IIT seats also. You go and Google out the vacant seats in IIT. Just Google out this, vacant seats in IIT. You will find that there are so many seats which are vacant. IITs are not getting good candidates. Why? Because good candidates are not applying. Why? Because they think they are not good. They think that they will not get it. Because they think they will not get it, they will not apply, and IIT seats are vacant. Infrastructure and all the cost which we incur on creating this center of excellence, that goes waste. I visited different labs of IIT Gandhinagar. You will find my videos now. We are visiting entire team YourPedia, going to different labs and everything. Everywhere we found very good work going on. But students, less number of students. Why? Because maybe you need to apply. You need to join those courses. Yes, this is very important. What are you doing nowadays? Sir, I am sitting demoralized and I am totally senti. I am not putting any effort. One of my friend, he has told me that you have no opportunities left in your life now. So I'm not putting any effort. I'm not preparing. I'm not doing anything. You are wasting your time. Please start putting effort. Please start preparing. If you keep on preparing, you will get the opportunities. Keep applying. Yes, you need to apply. अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. अप्लाई नहीं करोगे तब नहीं होगा. अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. बिना एप्लीकेशन के आपको एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा. You need to apply for sure. अप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो वैसे नहीं मिलेगा. So ये चीज तुम्हें करना है. This is what you have to do. And what is the most important thing you have to do? This I told you. This तो you have to do. ये करना है. अगर कन्वर्ट करना है नो गेट इनटू सिलेक्शन, लो गेट इनटू सिलेक्शन, तो ये करना पड़ेगा. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज दिस, कीप वॉचिंग YourPedia. And I'm not saying this because I'm on YourPedia. YourPedia is the only platform which first told you about low gate, and then we are telling about no gate. We are the first one which told you about this. Why? Because we did analysis on that. I'm not criticizing anybody else. Everybody is putting effort in their own way. I'm not saying that. But everybody has some specialty. Every person, every organization, every institute has certain specialty. And this specialty belongs to YourPedia. Low gate into selection, no gate into selection. This is something which belongs to YourPedia. We have done it. We have actually helped students. We have mentored students. We have prepared their SOPs. We have done everything. And we are expert in this. So you will keep watching. I'm not saying register. I'm not saying purchase module. I'm not doing that. I'm not actually doing here marketing. I'm telling keep watching YouTube, which is free, something like this. Because knowledge itself helps you a lot. Because if you know that this boy has got some admission somewhere, you can also get admission, and mere information of that will help you. So if you keep watching this, you will get multiple videos, many videos, which itself will be informational. Not only inspirational, they will be informational. आपको आइडिया लगेगा कि मैं जा सकता हूं, अगर ये जा सकता है तो मैं भी जा सकता हूं. You will get that idea. This is what you have to do, and I have summarized now everything. Now I will take your now I will take your questions. So be positive. Promise me you will be positive and you will take things in a positive way, and promise me you will keep on putting effort. Promise me you will not be talking negative. Promise me you will not be negative. Don't talk negative. Don't think negative. Think positive. Things will start moving in a positive way. If you start talking negative, things will be negative. Don't talk negative. Talk positive for you. Things will turn up positive for you. वो एक एग्जाम था, नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं. वो एक दिन था जिस दिन तुम्हारा एग्जाम नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. अभी तुम्हारे और एग्जाम्स हैं, उन पे फोकस करो, तैयारी करो. बिलीव मी, कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. अगर उसका हुआ है तो तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा. किसका हुआ है? जिनकी हम वीडियोस डाल रहे हैं. अगर उनका हुआ है तो तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा. तो पॉजिटिविटी के साथ चलना है और हम इसको हिट कर लेंगे. अभी मैं क्वेश्चंस लेता हूं तुम्हारे. लेट मी टेक सम क्वेश्चंस. जो टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट की पोस्ट है आईआईएससी बेंगलोर में, उसका रिटन एग्जाम तुम दो, और रिटन एग्जाम गेट जैसा ही होगा. उसके बारे में और इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपको दूंगा, एंड आप उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू दैट. देखो स्कोर आपको, मेरे को आपसे 2-3 रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए होती हैं. What I need to tell you, whether you get or not, what I need to tell you: 1, your CGPA; 1, your branch; 1, your GATE score if you have any; and then other than this, your research work, etc. ये चीज जब तक तुम नहीं बताओगे, जिनका गेट स्कोर है वो मेरे को गेट स्कोर बताएंगे, ब्रांच बताएंगे, सीजीपीए बताएंगे, एंड कैटेगरी बताएंगे, तब उनका पता लगता है. बट आई कैन नॉट आंसर हियर फॉर एवरीवन. Yes, post-gate counseling of YourPedia, let me tell you, that is the true value for your money. Next 6 months, we are going to mentor you. Post-gate counseling will start from 25th of Feb until end of the August, 25th of August. 6 months post-gate counseling, YourPedia mentors are going to mentor you. उसका डिटेल आ जाएगा 24th Feb को. 24th Feb को I'm going to tell you what is post-gate counseling all about. Money will be very nominal. There will be 6 months counseling. We will be helping you in interview. We will be writing your SOPs. We will be having almost every day Zoom interaction session. We will make you interact with so many students. Lot of learning content is there on our panel. so that money will be true value for your money. That money will be value, that will not be that's a good thing for you, right? Yes, it may be 4 to 5,000 के बीच में कहीं पे होगा, बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, हम उतना ही रखेंगे जिससे काम चलेगा, तुम्हारा भी और हमारा भी काम चलेगा, बिकॉज यू नो आई नीड टू पे लॉट ऑफ पीपल, दिस इज अ ह्यूज टीम। पोस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग में बहुत बड़ी टीम होती है जो आपको पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करती है। देयर आर एग्जीक्यूटिव्स, देयर आर मेंटर्स, देयर आर सो मेनी अदर पीपल हु आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट यू डे इन डे आउट। क्योंकि ऐसा भी होगा जब सडनली नंबर ऑफ सीट्स विल स्टार्ट पॉपिंग अप, IITs will start advertising the seats immediately, suddenly होगा वो, तो उस टाइम पे हमें बहुत से लोगों को लगाना है। Believe me, this is money should not be a trouble for you because it is going to give dividend to you. YourPedia की counseling is something which is going to pay you. Believe me on that. It is not going to be a problem for you. So ये सारे के सारा कि किस रैंक पे क्या मिलता है। अच्छा, एक और चीज तुम्हें मैं बता रहा हूं, and keep this thing also in your mind. Cutoffs have no meaning in majority of cases. जो cutoffs दिखाए जाते हैं उनका मीनिंग कम होता है majority of cases में, because there is a huge variation in cutoff. उसमें huge variation होता है year to year. You are not to think of that. अच्छा, एक IIT गांधीनगर का जो सीरीज चल रहा है उसमें मैंने ऑलमोस्ट जितने भी प्रोफेसर से हमारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ है, आई आस्क्ड देम व्हाट डू यू सी इन द स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोस्पेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स। उन्होंने आंसर दिया है उसका, तो आप उसको सुनना उन्होंने क्या बोला है, एंड वर्क ऑन दैट लाइन। आई हैव आस्क्ड IIT गांधीनगर प्रोफेसर्स व्हाट डू दे सी इन द प्रोस्पेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स, उनको क्या चाहिए। लिसन टू द आंसर व्हाट दे गिव, एंड दैट इज वेरी रेलेवेंट फॉर यू। See, I cannot tell like this what your score will be. It will be difficult for me to tell. Yeah, so this is actually not possible to answer all these things. PSUs में 28 एज के बाद भी ऑप्शन है। There are options, there are PSUs which are taking beyond 28 years also. I will make a video on that कि कितने इंस्टीट्यूट्स में ये अलाउड है। I will make on that. SC category 47 marks, certainly you will get multiple options. 47 marks SC category, आपको बहुत सी ऑप्शंस मिलेंगी, you will get the options. Okay, so YourPedia is going to tell you about the exams and their syllabus. देखो, जो आपके एग्जाम्स होंगे उनका जो सिलेबस होगा उसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंस होता है, वो एग्जैक्टली गेट जैसा एग्जाम नहीं होता। जैसे जो जो अपने इंस्टीट्यूट अपना अलग से एग्जाम लेते हैं, जैसे IIT हैदराबाद एग्जाम लेता है, IIIT हैदराबाद, IIIT बेंगलोर, IISc बेंगलोर, सो ये जो अपने एग्जाम्स लेते हैं, एंड BIT, YourPedia is going to guide you. YourPedia mentors are going to conduct regular classes for you on these exams. तो वही मैंने आपको बताया ना कि जो पोस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग का हम चार्ज करते हैं उसमें ये सब चीज हम देते हैं, वो सारी चीज इसके अंदर रहेगा कि आपको इसका सब गाइडेंस मिलता है फॉर 6 months. 6 months, you know, you will be having hundreds of Zoom interactions with the mentors. We will be giving you hundreds of SOPs. We'll giving you hundreds of interview sessions जिनको आप लर्न कर सकते हो और अपना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. We will be making you interact with students. So this is going to be quite informative for you and it will work for you. It is going to be effective for you. तो ये आपका अच्छा रहेगा सेशन, डोंट यू वरी फॉर दैट. 55 OBC मैकेनिकल, अगर CGP अच्छा है तो मल्टीपल कॉल्स. ओके, देखो सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स, यस निटर है. निटर, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस निटर इंस्टीट्यूट जो चंडीगढ़ में है, वो सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स है. चंडीगढ़ में अंदर भी वो निटर है और जगह पे भी है, दैट इज सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट. देखो जो आईआईटी गांधीनगर ने स्पेशल इंस्टीट्यूट्स की बात की है, सेलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स, दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स। सेलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स में प्राइवेट सेक्टर की इंस्टीट्यूट्स आती हैं, आंसर इज बिल्कुल आती हैं। जो आईआईटी हैदराबाद ने बोला है सेलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स, उसके अंदर प्राइवेट सेक्टर का इंस्टीट्यूट्स आता है। दिस सेलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो आईआईटी गांधीनगर बोलता है, आईआईटी गांधीनगर का जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट आया है, उसके सेलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स के अंदर प्राइवेट सेक्टर की इंस्टीट्यूट्स आती हैं, आ सकती हैं, वो उन्होंने सिलेक्ट करनी है। तो उन्होंने लिस्ट क्यों नहीं दी है? बिकॉज दे वांट पीपल टू अप्लाई, एंड इफ यू अप्लाई दे फाइंड योर एप्लीकेशन गुड, then you can go for that. They find your application good, then they will consider you, they will certainly consider you if their application is good. तो वो है आपका सिलेक्टेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स के अंदर तुम कर सकते हो। अब सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स का मैं एक पूरा आपको एक वीडियो बना के रिकॉर्ड करके डालता हूं। सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स में कौन कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, आई विल मेक अ वीडियो एंड गिव इट टू यू, आई विल डू दैट। कंप्यूटेशनल डाटा साइंस इन आईआईटी प्लेसमेंट्स आर वेरी गुड। कंप्यूटेशनल डाटा साइंस वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा है। तो किस डिपार्टमेंट्स की प्लेसमेंट बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, एक और पॉइंट्स तुम्हें बता देता हूं। कोर एंड नॉन कोर, कोर एंड नॉन कोर। स्टूडेंट से वी वांट दिस, आई से यू शुड टेक दिस। लिसन केयरफुली। स्टूडेंट से आई शुड टेक कोर, सर मेरे को कोर चाहिए। आई से आजकल टाइम इसका है, इसको लो, इसके अंदर कुछ टेक्निकल चीजें सीखो, ग्रोथ बहुत ज्यादा मिलेगी। यहां 10 लाख पर एनम से करियर स्टार्ट करोगे, यहां 20 लाख पर एनम से करियर स्टार्ट करोगे। यहां पे 5 साल के बाद शायद तुम 25 तक जाओ, यहां 5 साल के बाद तुम शायद 50 से भी ऊपर चले जाओगे। यहां पे बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है। तो मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए? जितने भी मैनेजमेंट वाले इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग वाले इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, जितने भी तुम्हारे मैकाट्रॉनिक्स वाली चीजें हैं, जितना भी तुम्हारा आपका डाटा साइंस, डाटा एनालिटिक्स है, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स है, वो सारे का सारा यहां पे आता है। और अभी तुम्हें एक और बात बता रहा हूं, बिफोर योर फाइनल सिलेक्शन यू शुड ट्राई टू लर्न समथिंग along with this. How to invest 6 months, you learn something, you learn some kind of coding if you want, some kind of language if you want to learn, some kind of software if you can learn. Try to learn these things, they are very important for jobs. You should not hesitate learning these things, they are our skills. Even CV के ऊपर भी आप इसको लिखते हो। अभी PSUs के जो इंटरव्यू चल रहे हैं ना, तो पब्लिक सेक्टर वाले भी इसको वैल्यू देते हैं। इवन पब्लिक सेक्टर इंस्टीट्यूट्स, दे वांट दैट यू शुड हैव नॉलेज ऑफ दिस। इवन पब्लिक सेक्टर वांट यू शुड हैव नॉलेज ऑफ दिस। अभी रिसेंटली कुछ इंटरव्यूज हुए हैं इन विच दे स्टार्टेड आस्किंग, डू यू हैव नॉलेज ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग इट। कैन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अफोर्ड नॉट टू नो डाटा साइंस, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoTs, blockchain technology? These are the new technologies every organization wanted. So the time next 6 months which you have, number one, start applying India, abroad, institutes where you get good placement, start applying there. And also start increasing your skill, start increasing your skill. If you have good skill, then opportunities will multiply, the opportunities will multiply. So computational data science is in your MS also, and it is there in your MTech also. So अगर मैं computational data science की बात करूं, there is, you have MS also and it is MTech also. You can get in MS, for MS you can get with very low GATE score also, you can get a call for that. And if it is your self sponsored candidate category, self sponsored mein you are to go for your own written exam. So you need to go for your own written exam for self sponsored category. Some new IITs are going to introduce these kind of courses this year. Last year also I think 4 IITs introduced this course, 4 IITs, and these courses are introduced even till the month of your May and June. You will get to know that in the month of May and June that a course is introduced, and then there is a written exam of that. I will tell you what is the syllabus of this. I will tell you what is the syllabus of this. It is not through GATE, it is self-sponsored. In IIT, there is a syllabus for that. We will tell you what are the syllabus for that. You prepare on that syllabus and go to the examination hall, exam for this IITs. And they are very good courses. New courses are coming up. स्मार्ट मोबिलिटी के ऊपर कोर्स आ रहा है आपका, फॉर ई व्हीकल्स के ऊपर कोर्स आ रहा है, ई मोबिलिटी के ऊपर कोर्स आ रहा है. So let me tell you the new things which are coming up for GATE and no GATE. So e-mobility is one, e-vehicles इसके ऊपर कोर्सेज आ रहे हैं, कंप्यूटेशनल एंड डाटा साइंस के ऊपर कोर्स आ रहे हैं, देन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, डाटा साइंस उसके ऊपर कोर्सेज निकल के आ रहे हैं, स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के ऊपर कोर्स आ रहा है, स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इसके ऊपर कोर्स आ रहा है, एंड सम काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन के ऊपर कोर्सेज आ रहे हैं. These all are new courses. Yes, mechatronics and robotics. Mechatronics and robotics. So many institute which I told you, IIT, triple IITs, NITs. If I add IISc, IIT, triple IIT, NIT, if I add along with BIT kind of institute, if I add it, then more courses are going to come. More courses are going to come for this particular domain. So all these new courses are being introduced. All these courses are being introduced by IITs. And you need to, basically, if you want to clear the exam of this, you need to prepare a little bit. That is what I'm telling you, that even if you get a call, if you're not prepared, you will not be in a position to basically clear it. So can a student of civil engineering, can a student of chemical engineering, can a student of agriculture engineering, can they get admission into this? Answer is yes. They will keep it open. But you need to clear exam. And for exam, there's a written test. And for written test to clear, you should have some knowledge of this. So those of you who are not having any GATE score, but they want to get into data analytics, they want to go into IIT, one thing they should do is they should join some course of data analytics. They should have some knowledge about data analytics. They should join some course little bit data analytics, and at the same time they should keep on applying, because ultimately that is what matters. So instead of wasting your years after years writing GATE again and again, just prepare those skills, enhance those skills, apply in those courses, and take the admission and take a good salary package and start your career. That is how it has to be. So many new courses are going to come, and you need to prepare on those lines. Okay, so MS interviews are going to start, I think, somewhere in the month of I think April. I don't know. IISc is going to be the first. IISc interviews are going to be the first. IIT Gandhinagar is going to be the first. NIT is separate. So as of now, 3 institutes have come up: IISc Bangalore, IIT Gandhinagar, and NIT Bombay. NIT Bombay is different institute, so that is for management. IISc Bangalore and this IIT Gandhinagar. So those of you do not qualify, those of you who could not qualify, this GATE, they at least write IISc Bangalore scientific assistant job. There are hundreds of jobs, scientific assistant job. So students do not write. They think they will not get it, so they don't write. If you write it, you will get it for sure. Yes, job is, this is for post-GATE counseling. So 24th of Feb, I'm going to give you detail of post-GATE counseling, how it is going to be, what are the components of post-GATE counseling into that, what will be provided to you, features, everything will be provided on 24th of Feb, and you start your journey with YourPedia on 25th of Feb. And believe me, this will be a very, very promising journey for all of you. We will convert it. We will basically convert our no GATE or low GATE into some kind of selection for sure. Yeah, so this year Defense Technology, DIT, Defense Technology Institute in Pune is doing good. This year I could interact with some of the students of Pune. College of Engineering Pune placement is good this year, and Defense Institute of Technology जो उनका Defense Armament Institute है पुणे में, that is also doing good. I could interact with some students. I will publish those videos also. Okay, EXC, EXC I don't think XC will, they will, yeah, XC in, you can get in design with XC also in IIT Madras. Yes, last year they permitted XC, if I'm not wrong, that they permitted there. That was there. Good job without GATE, only option is through IITs and masters. You need to do masters if so far you have not done it. Or second is, you increase your skills, what I've told you, you enhance those skills, keep applying in the companies, you will get it. But the better way is through the masters. If you go, you get multiple opportunities for placement. That is another way you can try. Okay, so power engineering, see, all these parts what you are asking me here, that is a part of your post gate counseling. This entire is the part of your post gate counseling. Mentors will guide you for that. Mentors will certainly tell you and guide you for that. See, computer science students, your branch is very good. Certainly, you will get opportunities even if you do not have any gate. Computer science students will get very good package. Whatever your gate is, or you do not have gate, your package is always going to be more. Your package is going to be good. For computer science students, keep preparing. You have multiple opportunities and you will easily get admission also, and later on you can convert it also into career. So computer science students have nothing to worry. You will certainly convert that into career. Even if you do not have gate, you will get the opportunity for interview. I will tell you that, and you can basically get into this. Okay, without gate, foreign admissions are there. In fact, I'm going to share with you soon the admission in the top university of UK this week. I've interacted with one of the professor for one university, which is Cranfield University, which is basically the IISc of UK. This is known as IISc of United Kingdom. So this university is going to take students from India with a lot of scholarships, and they are even asking for GATE student. So they, through GATE, some of the universities like Technical University Munich, National University Singapore, Nanyang Technical University, these are the universities which consider students through GATE. This year one more university is going to come which may consider GATE, or without GATE also it is going to consider Indian students, and that university is very prestigious university of UK. I'm going to discuss with you that about this week, and I've interacted with the professor of that university. What are the options for Indian students? I'm going to basically come out with that video soon, and you can get basically information about that also. So without GATE you will not get scholarship. Without GATE, scholarship is not there. I told you that in the beginning. Without GATE you do not get scholarship. IIT Gandhinagar mein you are getting scholarship 31,000 and 6,000. That is the only IIT as of now which has told that you will get the scholarship in PhD and MTech. There are certain other options, which is, as I told you, technical assistant in project. Without GATE, if you go technical assistant project, then also you will get the scholarship. So without GATE, there are other ways by which you can enter. There are ways in which you can enter without GATE, and with GATE also you can go. So without GATE also you can get scholarship, but those options as of now are limited. Either you go for that, or TAP like IIT Madras, you can get some scholarship there also. But there are many other factors also which you are to consider. There are many other factors which you should consider. Yes, if you have gap in your career, then it certainly is a factor in placement. No doubt about that. It is a factor in a placement. You need to justify that, and that is what I'm telling you. If you can avoid the gap or drop, please do that. Try to avoid the gap should not be there. Try to avoid gap should not be there in your career. And as the gap keeps on increasing, like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, it keeps on creating the trouble. So gap should not be there. You should not have gap. Yes, Pasta, you can basically get admission with this score which I can see on XC. You can get admission. So answer is you can get thermal in IIT. And way to get thermal in IIT, There are many departments in which you can pursue thermal, like aerospace department. Aero propulsion is also thermal. So aero propulsion is also the example of thermal. You can get into those kind of courses. Yes, you can get those courses here. 9 CGPA 462, you will certainly get calls from all IITs for PhD course and PhD plus MS course. So you should join the best PhD course, let us say like IEOR, or you can get into like IIT Bombay, your own department. From there you will get a call. So if your CGPA is more than 9, then you have wonderful opportunities in old IITs. You will certainly get the calls that will be there. Yes. So I think the information which you are asking me now, that information I will, that is a part of counseling, will provide you that detail. Don't you worry. The information which you are asking me, that everything will be provided to you during counseling. Don't you worry for that. We will provide you that entire. Yes, second year you can start your GATE preparation. GATE preparation is nothing but knowledge of the GATE topics and subjects. That's all it is. So you can start from second year. Yes, you can do that. Okay, so if you, I want to tell you one more thing also. If you have not made a project during your graduation, BTech project is important document. BTech project is important for selection. And as I told you, that if your GATE score is not there, then it becomes even more important, because other things should be good. Sometime only on the basis of your project, professors may call you. Sometime if you if you have very good project, and if you tell the professor about that project, maybe only on the basis of that you will get a call. So BTech project, no doubt, is important document. If you have not done BTech project very seriously, if you have not done it very nicely, you should do your project seriously. It is important document. Many students say, sir, we have not have taken the project, we do not have project. So you can take that project from your friends or something, and you can start preparing on that project. 8.57 and 400 GATE score, yes, there is a call, there is a chance of multiple calls, because your CGPA is very good, you will get that. So CGPA, GATE score and category, these are the factors. If you do not have your GATE score, then written exam and interview becomes the factor. I'm not very clear what question you are asking. Can I do MTech in the same department? You can do that, obviously. So you can do that. I think now you people have started asking about your, I think whether you will get calls and all. See, if you will ask me a question whether I'll get opportunity, my answer will be yes only. That is what I'm telling you, because there is going to be opportunity. Somewhere or the else you are going to explore the option. Option is going to be there for you. So you have nothing to worry. There are multiple options. You are going to get multiple options. Only thing is you should know what you have, what opportunities you have in your hand, and you are to explore those options only. Certainly there are options for us. Any other question if you have, other than obviously? Yes. So aerospace has four parts. Aerospace has four parts. Aerospace has four parts. There is a structure part, which is for civil engineers, and then there is a control dynamics or something, which is for electronics and communication and instrumentation engineers. Then there is a aero propulsion. There is a propulsion also, which is for mechanical engineers and all. So, and then there's a dynamics also, aerodynamics. So this is also for mechanical. So aerospace has these four parts, and the students from different branches can join it. This is the interdisciplinary course. So student can join from different branches like mechanical, civil, electronics. All these students can join these branches. Yes, NICMAR is also very important institute where you can join, and I'm going to cover this institute in detail this year. So NICMAR is also very important institute, and you can get a lot of opportunities there also. See, IIT Gandhinagar, you need to apply. I'm telling you, you need to apply, and calls come. Even if you apply 10 places for from 3 4 places you get the call, but you should apply knowing your strengths. Do not blindly start applying. Do not apply blindly. Yes, YourPedia is going to do counseling for all the branches this year. We are covering this year all the branches. As you must have seen that we have started the physics also on our platform now. So YourPedia is going to cover it for all the branches: humanities, science, engineering, all. So this post-gate counseling of YourPedia will be covering all branches of engineering. We are going to cover, and then science, and then humanities. So any student who is from these domains, whatever subject you have written, if you have written GATE and if you want counseling, YourPedia is going to provide you this year, because we have the mentors now. Last year we did not start from many subjects because we were not having mentors, but this year we have mentors. Sufficient mentors have joined us, and we are going to cover all the subjects of this post GATE domains this year. And believe me, one of the advantage of YourPedia counseling is, like, you get a group. You always get a group of students who are preparing on the similar lines. So when the students are preparing on the similar lines, they get advantage. Like, I give you example, like Cochin Shipyard. Nowadays Cochin Shipyard Limited interviews are going on. Now Cochin Shipyard mein there is a GD also, and there is a writing section also. I think this is the only PSU in which there is a writing section, because group of student is preparing you with YourPedia. So common preparation becomes easier. There are common GDs. Every day we are going to have GDs. Every day we are going to have write-ups. So that becomes common for everyone. So strategy becomes common. We make common strategies for everyone. That is the advantage of preparing common. So similarly, post-gate counseling may, as you know, YourPedia very extensively does the post-gate counseling. So we have hundreds and thousands of SOPs kept. We have so many interview experiences of the students kept. So the moment you explore the panel, you'll find that a lot of information is there, and when you find the group, the preparation becomes very easy for you. This is how it can be done. And I'm going to show you multiple videos of those students who got into opportunities without GATE. Yes, I'm going to tell you about that. There are so many opportunities for mechanical engineers. You will see that in coming days you will find multiple opportunities for mechanical people. Yes, they are there, multiple opportunities for mechanical people. See, at the end I can tell you one thing. uh, my entire team of mentors and executives, they have worked very hard for the last now couple of years, especially during COVID lockdown. Entire team of YourPedia has done a lot of work, and now we are in position really to mentor you very nicely, to basically show you what are the opportunities. And we will do that for the next 6 months. You are there with us, and we are going to guide thoroughly. 20% of the guidance will be free on YouTube. 80% will be exclusively for those who are registered with YourPedia. And in that 100% total content, you will get a lot of things. Believe me, if you follow it genuinely and sincerely, then you will get multiple opportunities, and end result will be very good job, multiple options, very good career for you. Try to understand, there are certain misunderstandings, misconceptions. You should not fall in trap of that. Like masters does not give you career, MTech में जॉब नहीं लगता, ये सारी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हैं. मेरे को अगर ज्यादा पैसा खर्चना पड़ा तो मेरे पास तो पैसा नहीं है, मेरे फीस कहां से दूंगा, मेरे को बाहर जाना है तो शायद मेरे को जॉब नहीं मिलेगी वहां पे. सो ऑल दीज आर मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स. Don't entertain such misunderstandings, and I'm very sure you are going to have very good opportunities for you. For masters mechanical के लिए, I think management and industrial engineering is very good option. Industrial engineering and management course is very good for mechanical engineering students. And then there's a data science also. I mean, you can have data science and art. These kind of domains are very good for mechanical people. मैकेनिकल में प्लेसमेंट्स बहुत अच्छा है, इस बार क्रेजी प्लेसमेंट है. बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट चल रहा है कंप्यूटर साइंस का, फिर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वगैरह का चल रहा है, उसके बाद मैकेनिकल का चल रहा है, सिविल का एंड जैसे में आता है, सिविल का एंड में आ रहा है. उसके रीजन है अलग. उसके रीजन ये है कि सिविल वाला प्लेसमेंट में उतना इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, लेकिन एमटेक सिविल वाला जरूर करता है, मास्टर जरूर करता है, क्योंकि उसके करियर में गैप नहीं आना चाहिए. इंटरव्यू के लिए वो सही नहीं है, और उसको एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करनी है, तो वो बैठ के प्रिपरेशन करता है एग्जाम की. So these are the reasons civil wala student is joining for master's courses. They are good courses for civil students. Okay, if you're working in TCS, then there is no gap. I think there is no gap in this. Job in TCS. Job in TCS will not be considered gap. Whatever job you have done, if you have done job, that will not be considered as a gap. Job is not a gap. That job should be from organized company. That is the meaning of it, some big company. Yes, HD exam you can write, because computer science में बहुत अच्छी options है उसमें. There is very good option for computer science students in HD. See, all these options, whatever you are asking me, there are so many options for you, and all I will guide you thoroughly for this during counseling sessions. We will have multiple counseling sessions with you, and I will tell you multiple things here. Right, so I think now we ended up here only. I think now we have answered a lot. I think these lot of questions I will answer in the counseling part only. Yes, 5 years discontinuity can be a big gap in public sector. Yes, PSU में 3 years plus gap, 3 year plus gap is supposed to be very, very bad, and they ask you, so don't take much gap. See, I tell you, there are so many good options in private sector nowadays, far better than PSU. So try to explore those options. I'm telling you once again, there are so many good options in nowadays. There are so many good options nowadays in private sector. So start exploring those options. There are many good options. Start exploring, and we will certainly click that, convert that. So let me thank you all for being with me today. I will keep on conducting such more sessions. YourPedia चैनल पे बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, अभी बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन आएगा. कीप सीइंग दैट, बी पॉजिटिव, बी हैप्पी, बी एनर्जेटिक, and keep putting effort in the right direction. Don't entertain negative things. You will have a very good career options for you. Just explore the options and keep preparing in that direction, and you will get that. Yes, and announcement of YourPedia counseling will be done on 25th. 24th को we will open, 24th को we will announce that, and 25th से you can seek post gate counseling of YourPedia. Thanks a lot, and good night to all of you. Thank you.